Hello everyone, welcome back to US Stock Hotspot. Today, we're going to analyze a highly watched cybersecurity company, Palo Alto Networks, PANW. This company caught my attention, and the markets back in February, particularly due to the investment actions of Nancy Pelosi, often regarded as a stock market goddess. In February 2024, Nancy Pelosi made a significant purchase of Palo Alto Networks stock options with a total investment of up to $1.25 million. This transaction took place after the company announced a downward revision of its revenue forecast, causing PANW's stock price to plummet nearly 20% in after-hours trading. Nancy Pelosi bought call options expiring in January 2025 with a strike price of $200. Notably, this was Nancy Pelosi's second investment in PANW within the same month. She had already started buying on February 12th. With this market-discussed investment, I also began to monitor and purchase this stock during February and March. I believe its long-term prospects are worth a deeper look, especially given the growing demand for cybersecurity. It was these market dynamics that prompted me to further analyze the company's future outlook and investment value. First, Palo Alto Networks recently announced its fourth quarter earnings, exceeding market expectations. Revenue reached $2.16 billion, a 12% year-over-year increase, with EPS of $1.01, higher than last year's 64 cents, and also surpassing the market's expectation of 67 cents. Palo Alto Networks' forward guidance for the next quarter and fiscal year 2025 also exceeded market expectations. The company expects revenue of approximately $2.1 billion in the next quarter, with EPS of 76 cents. For fiscal year 2025, the company projects revenue of around $9.1 billion, with EPS between $6.18 and $6.31, again surpassing the market's expectation of $6.22. These figures indicate the company's strong confidence in its future growth, and the market shares this optimism. Palo Alto Networks also reported an increase in its long-term subscription revenue. The company stated that in fiscal year 2024, long-term subscription revenue from platform customers accounted for 53% of total revenue, and it expects this percentage to rise to 64% in fiscal year 2025. Additionally, Palo Alto Networks announced a $500 million stock repurchase program. This move reflects the management's confidence in the value of the company's shares. Stock buybacks are generally seen as shareholder-friendly actions and could help support the stock price to some extent. As a high-growth, high-valuation company, Palo Alto Networks' valuation has always been at a high level. Based on a 40 PE, the forward valuation range for July 2025 is around $250. However, the current market price of over $350 clearly exceeds this valuation range, indicating very high market expectations for Palo Alto Networks' future growth. While Palo Alto Networks may appear overvalued from a fundamental perspective, its technicals remain strong. From a technical perspective, if Palo Alto Networks can break through and hold above $350, it indicates entry into a higher upward range. If it can surpass the $370 resistance level, it may challenge previous highs. Recent technical performance shows strong momentum for this stock, particularly with increased trading volume, which suggests a stable uptrend. Investors may continue holding the stock, waiting for further upward movement. My investment advice is that, despite Palo Alto Networks' high valuation, holding this stock remains a reasonable choice given its strong technicals and the stable overall market environment. Investors should monitor the subsequent market performance, particularly whether Palo Alto Networks shows signs of heavy trading volume without being able to break through when challenging previous highs. If such signs appear, it may be a good time to reduce positions and lock in some profits. Overall, Palo Alto Networks has shown strong growth potential in the current market. Despite its high valuation, the strong technical performance and stable long-term subscription revenue indicate the company's future upside potential. If you found today's analysis helpful, please remember to like, subscribe to US Stock Hotspot, and share your thoughts on Palo Alto Networks' future performance in the comments. See you next time.